Granny's Goofy Garden. In the bustling city of Skyscraperville, there was one spot of nature's wonder, Granny GreenThumb's garden. Granny GreenThumb, known for her love of plants and her delightfully quirky sense of humor, loved nothing more than spending time with her grandchildren, Lily and Leo, in her magical garden. One sunny weekend, Granny announced, "We're having a goofy garden day today, my little sprouts." Lily and Leo were puzzled. "What's a goofy garden day, Granny?" Lily asked. "Well, my little Petunia, it's a day full of fun, laughter, and a bit of garden magic," Granny replied, her eyes twinkling with mischief. First, Granny brought out some garden hats, but these weren't any regular garden hats. They were oversized and covered in colorful flowers, leaves, and even some faux bugs. Granny wore a hat with a big sunflower, Lily had roses and daisies, and Leo's hat had leaves and pretend spiders. As they put on the hats, they couldn't help but laugh. Even their reflections in the pond were giggling back at them. Next, Granny gave them watering cans that made funny noises. Lily's can mooed like a cow, Leo's can clucked like a chicken, and Granny's can neighed like a horse. Every time they watered the plants, they ended up laughing so hard that they watered themselves as well. After watering the plants, it was time to plant some seeds. But instead of regular seeds, Granny brought out jelly bean seeds. "What will grow from these, Granny?" Leo asked, curious. "You'll see, my little acorn. You'll see," Granny replied, smiling. They planted the jelly bean seeds and continued their day filled with laughter, silly jokes, and funny garden games. Even the scarecrow was wearing a clown costume, adding to the day's goofiness. When the day ended, Lily and Leo were sad that their goofy garden day was over. But to their surprise, the jelly bean seeds had grown into tall candy cane plants overnight, with jelly beans hanging off them like shiny little lanterns. They gasped in surprise and then burst into laughter. Granny GreenThumb winked at them and said, "That's the magic of our goofy garden day. Expect the unexpected." From that day on, Goofy Garden Day became a tradition for Granny, Lily, and Leo. Each time they had more laughs, more fun, and of course, more goofy garden surprises. And so, in the heart of Skyscraperville, Granny's garden remained a magical spot where laughter grew just as abundantly as her beautiful plants. Thanks for watching.